Mr. Rajesh Patel, President of Fiji Football Association, Mr. Muhammad Yusuf, Chief Executive Officer of the Fiji Football Association, Reverend Wiliame, Mr. Fleming, Secretary Head Coach of the Fiji Digicel, the National Football Team management and officials, and Digicel Bula Boys Team, Bulare. It should come up more. First of all, let me thank you for this morning. As I walked in, I saw the team all black and said this is the first sign that tells me of the unity among the team. But as you see me, I've taken a step forward. I'm wearing my working uniform, ready to root for your team as you live in the next few days. First of all, thank you for taking this time to come and present to iTatau. It's something that the culture of the Fijian tradition is always is a paramount, that before you leave for a duty, you go into war or what, that's something that they do. They go and seek the blessings and seek the good wishes of the traditional chiefs and the culture of Fiji. And today, we have stepped up another level. Before we did our Sivusevu, we always turned to the Almighty, the Almighty being, that's the ruler of everything. We've got the blessings in His message that Talatala has messaged us this morning, and he has mentioned that unity is the only way forward. You have been together for the last few months, and with the coach, the management, the assistant coach, the technical advisors, they have chosen you from the number of soccer players in Fiji to represent us in these upcoming World Games. And the government, in support of the Fiji Football Association, has supported the appointment of the technical advisors, the coach, the technical team here, who has vast experience in soccer in the world. And you young gentlemen looking at me today, before you were born, you were given a talent. This is what I've been telling people, teams that come here. You do not know what tomorrow brings. And that tomorrow is here today. Talatala has reminded you the importance of going out there. You need to look after one another. You have been together in the last, how many months? Yeah? You have been here for 2 years. So each of you should be known by first names. You should know your partner's family, how many, all those details you should be in your head now, you should know. So when you are leaving us today, you are living as a family. You have to watch each other's backs. Difficult situations out there. You know what's going in the world today. And sanctions are going, there's happenings in Europe, we have COVID, there's a lot of things. But you have been chosen out of the blue, out of all these things that is happening, you're taking our hopes there. Our Ndua team is doing well. The ladies team is doing well. Soccer, if Sevens has taken us to the World Cup, you are going to take us to FIFA. It's everybody's dream. Everybody's dream is to be at least a spectator in FIFA, in the World Cup soccer. And you people are going to be the forerunners in this thing here. You're going to open the gate for the next 5-10 years. So all those who will be even hearing this recording or what that's going on today, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, one little boy out there is going to be sitting here facing me, and during that day, in my success, he said, 10 years ago, the president said that we were going to begin, and I'm here. I heard that speech that he made that day, that we were going to be in the World Cup soccer. So you people are the first cream that is going to go out to fight the team. You are going to fight for places up there. And believe me, I know, I'm confident that you will, you're going to break barriers. You know, you'll move mountains there. There's nothing, 2 years, you've all trained for this. You can go over, under, sideway, but you'll have to make sure you go that side. And be positive. And you know, this office, ADC will give my card. If anybody has family problems, call me. If anything, if you have doubts about anything, call me. Call the donor, you can call Rajesh or call me. Just if you need some advice or something. But you listen to your coach, listen to your technical advisors, because they are the ones. Because, you know, you're taking Fiji, you're ambassadors of Fiji there. You're going to a foreign country. Like the Katonivere said, only few of us in Fiji have gone there. And you are so lucky that you are going there today. You know, you're leaving to go to this world tournament in Qatar. And I tell you, that's a big place. There are going to be challenges that you go through, the weather, the distance from home. I don't know if they have Digicel there, but I hope Digicel is going to arrange to make you make also. Be positive in the way you think. Be strong, love one another, respect your trainer and the technical advisors. They are your parents. They are your seniors that are going. You give them the respect that you give your parents at home. Give them that respect. If you give them the respect, you see the outcomes of the teams, of your performance. You know. All I can say is, right now I'm confident. I'm looking at you. Nobody's smiling. That means thing is coming through now, and I hope that your parents will stand proud. Your families, go and make your family proud. Go and make us proud. With those few words, I wish you well. I wish the Fiji Football Association all the best, and go with God.
Bula Vinaka. My name is Peter Ravai. I play for Mason United in the National League in the UK. I'm 18 years old, and the preparation in camp has been very good and very tough due to the core work, fitness, everything, you name it. But it's been good to spend time with the boys, a great bunch of boys, and I know it's a very young squad, but there's a lot of talent in there, and I can't wait to show what we got in Qatar. I know people doubt us because we're a young squad, but we're ready to prove people wrong and make Fiji proud.
My name is Nabil Mohammed Beg. I'm from Soropampampa, Wasu Lutu Wenibuka, Netasiri. I'm a year-old student of Kamil Muslim College, and I play for Ba FC. I'm a attacking midfielder or right midfielder, and I'm very proud and very honored to be representing my country, and I would like to thank the Almighty for giving me this opportunity to be able to represent my country at a young age. I would like to thank my parents and all of my family and friends and my teammates for helping me in order to strive for more. Thank you.
My name is Ashnil Raju. I'm from Lambasa, and also I'm a school teacher at the Lambasa College.
I'm the elder brother Anish Khan from Lambasa, and I'm a school teacher at Pudumono Area School. Actually, our experiences being in our national team is really good. Beside me, in my team, my brother, and I feel very lucky and feel really proud. Even my parents are really proud back in Lambasa that we made it to the final 22 member squad, and I believe we are going to do our very best in the World Cup qualifying Qatar.
I believe that it's a very challenging job to being in two professions, as a teacher and a footballer, because we have to take out time for everything, and in our case, like we only have weekends for our games and all that. So, and the whole day we have to in school, and later in the afternoon, in the morning we have to do our training. So that is the challenge I think we are going through.
I believe even our parents back in Lambasa, they always say how's soccer. They always motivate us to play football and also be with our children in school. You know, whenever even we are tired, you know, parents they call me, do you went to school? You know, so I said yes, we are in the school. So that's the very motivating factor for us, and even our wife, Sneed Singh. I've got a daughter, Anshi Chanel Kem. They all motivated me personally to play football and teach our kids.
How long have you two been playing soccer?
I started in 2014 with the district in Lambasa. So from there I played for Lambasa, Raketi, then again joined Lambasa, and still I'm playing for Lambasa.
Myself, I've been I think 6 to 7 districts already because I've been posted to wherever I get posted, so I have to play in that particular district. So I started in Lambasa to 2011 and then played for Raketi, and then I got posted in Singatoka school. So I played for Nandonga district, and then went to Nandi, and then back to Lambasa, and then now back to Rewa this side, and then now playing for Suva. I believe we have to balance our work in school, and whenever in the afternoon, whenever we are playing, so we give our best. And I think first thing is our discipline and dedication towards whatever work we do. It's our giving our 100%. That's what I think.
Yeah, same as I think the discipline, dedication, and the attitude towards your work is very important. Whatever you are doing, that's very important. Nah.